Good day, my lovely fans. How are you guys doing? It's your favorite chef in the house, JoJo's Cuisine. Today, I'll be teaching you guys how to prepare GizDodo. Come with me to my kitchen. Let's get started.
You're welcome to my kitchen once again. Now the things wey you go need to take prepare GizDodo be this. You go need green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, plantain, pepper, tomatoes, tatashe, onion and shombo. You go also need gizzard to take prepare GizDodo, vegetable oil, seasoning cubes and salt. Na all the things wey you go need to prepare GizDodo be that. Meanwhile, this GizDodo wey we wan prepare so, you go fit eat the GizDodo like that as a meal on its own, or you can use it as sauce to eat your rice, yam, plantain or anything wey you wan use am take chop. That one dey okay. Meanwhile, for here you go pour the GizDodo inside pot, add water, put your seasoning, let am dey cook. Then you go come use blender blend your pepper, tomatoes, tatashe, shombo, onion together. You fit grate am or you fit blend am, any one you want. But if na blending you wan blend, you go make sure say the pepper, tomatoes, tatashe, onion, everything wey you dey blend no too smooth, so that e go still dey scatter small. When you blend am finish, turn am for one plate, set am aside. Then you go carry your plantain, wash am, then dice your plantain into cube sizes. You no go cut am big, because for this GizDodo wey we wan prepare so, you no need to cut am big. You go just cut am small small, set am aside. Then go check your gizzard wey dey fire to see maybe e don done. If e never done, cover the pot make you let am dey cook. Meanwhile, you go don put oil for fire to take fry your plantain. Pour that your diced plantain into vegetable oil, make e fry. You go fry am well well to the way wey you take like am. If you like am golden brown, you go let am turn brown. If you no like make your plantain look like say e don burn, anyhow wey you wan take fry your plantain, you go fry am like that. For here, we don come check the plantain again, don turn the plantain. We go still leave am for fire make e still done small. Then when as the plantain take dey fire, for the other side you go dice your bell peppers. That is the green pepper, the yellow pepper, the red pepper and your onion. This one you no go blend am the way you take blend the pepper, tomatoes, tatashe, shombo and onion. Na dice you go dice this one. And when you dey dice this one, you no go let am dey too small, because you know say all these things na vegetable. If e dey too small, e go quick soft. So you go cut am make e big small, make e no too big, make e no too small. For here, you don pour oil inside the pan wey you wan take prepare the GizDodo. Put the diced onion inside, fry your onion well well. When you see say the onion don fry, you go come pour that your pepper mix wey you don blend or grate. You go pour am inside like say you wan prepare stew. The face go be like this. When the GizDodo don done, comot am for fire, throway the water. We no need the water to take prepare anything. Na the gizzard itself we need. You go dice the gizzard into the same size wey you dice your plantain into. When you don dice am finish, pour am for fire make the gizzard sef fry, just the same way you take fry the plantain. When you don fry am finish, you go comot am for fire, set am aside, make e dey side by side with the plantain. Then you go come go back, go check your pepper mix wey dey fire to see maybe the water don drain inside. If you blend the pepper mix, you go need to fry am to the stage wey e be say water go don comot inside, because we no need the tomatoes water inside. When you see say the water don dey dry, you go introduce your seasoning cubes inside. Any seasoning of your choice wey you wan put, you go add am. Then you go add curry inside, you go add pepper, mix am together make e fry well well. When e don fry, you go come pour your gizzard inside, turn am together so that the pepper go enter inside the gizzard. E go soak am well well so that the gizzard go get taste. You go leave am for fire make e stay for some minutes, make e cook and make the pepper enter inside the gizzard. leave am for fire small make e done before you go come add other things inside. When you see say the water introduce your bell peppers, that is the green pepper, yellow pepper and the red pepper. When you turn am inside, mix them well well. If you notice, you go see say our sauce no too get water like that, e no too dry and e no dey watery. Na like this e suppose be. When you don turn that one, na the fried plantain go be the last thing wey you go put inside, because you know say plantain itself don already soft, so you no go put am before any other thing, na im go be the last. When you don turn the plantain, everything don set like this, you go turn am make everything enter each other, then you go come leave am for fire for some minutes.
When you don add the plantain inside, you go mix am, mix everything together. Una see as this GizDodo fine for face o, e no too get water and e no too dry. Na like this GizDodo dey be. Omo, this GizDodo is so lovely. You can have it with your rice, your plantain, or you can even have it as meal itself because it is very rich. You have vegetables inside, you have your gizzard which serves as protein, you have your plantain. So it can serve as a meal on its own, or better still, you can pair it with anything you want to eat it with. Our GizDodo don done o. Please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.